Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Kasingeneni ku-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala ama-match awu-5. So counter nje next 5 games e-Kaizer Chiefs. Ama-match lawa abaluleke kakhulu bafethu, including a crucial, very crucial bafethu, CAF Confederations Cup la bazodlala khona eCongo, and then babuye badlale ku-return leg la ekhaya. Wonke lama-match azodlala nini this month, especially our CAF Confederations Cup. Siyazi ukuthi ama-assistant coaches awu-2 yiwo-ke anikwe umsebenzi omkhulu bafethu laphana, uBen Yusuf noCedric, sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthena izinto around. Well, asingeke ngikhulume ngama-wins nje kuphela bafowethu, ngizokhuluma nanokuthi maybe bazo-line up kanjani ama-players ifome ku-Kaizer Chiefs, potentially ukuthi mhlampe bangakwazi ukuwina ama-match angakanani. So let's be clear bafowethu, i-focus iqala kancane, 5 games at the time, but-ke siyazi ukuthi u-Kaizer Chiefs bathatha 1 game at the time. So i-match yokuqala bazoyidlala laphana mebebuya immediately bazodlala, I think between i-17 to 19 bazodlala i-AS Simba leya laphana eCongo, and then nge-22 October bazodlala neSwelele FC, and then between nge-24 so kulelo viki lelo bazodlala i-return leg-ke ne-AS Simba again e-home, and then bazoya away to Durban City, then badlale ne-Orbit College. So masibheka kulama matches lawa, I mean, a tough encounter laphana ukuthi baye eCongo, physically le team le strong kune-Kaizer Chiefs, sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukudlala i-physical game e-brutal yase-Africa bafethu, kuzobe ku-intense ngempela. So masiyi-break-a down kanje ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs maybe izoline up kanjani kulama matches lawa. The most important thing ukuthi kunama-player ambalwa abuyayo, uThabiso Munyane, uMako, yibo bazo-add low creativity. Ulona uThabiso Munyane isipiti sakhe laphana ku-right back soba versatile kakhulu overall. And then but kune-question before ngithi uMunyane maniyasi, why ngithi uMako? UMunyane ukuthi bazomqalisa immediately mebuya ku-injury or bazoqalisa uSolomon Sobona, but-ke kumele ba-step up in terms of like ukushape i-defense yabo ukuthi be-solid laphana emuva. Well, i-prediction, I think my first prediction would be ukuthi laphana eCongo mabangathola i-draw or bakwazi ukuthola i-away goal bafethu, because kuzoba important kakhulu. But mabangathola i-draw ukuthi bangayiluzi igame, and then mababuya ekhaya bakwazi ukuyiwina. Ekhaya nje bayazi ukuthi bashaya i-straight win, whether bawina 1-0 or 2-0, but-ke bangayiluzi igame lena away, or at least bakwazi ukuthola i-goal away. It's not gonna be easy. I'd see game against ilokhunjana so i-away game mele bakwazi ukudrawa, badlale i-draw, but I wish bangadlali njengase-Angola ukuthi babe too flat-footed, babe relaxed laphana, leya team igcine ikwazi ukushaya igoli. At home kube i-must ukuthi bakore, and then ba-avoid ukuthi bakorwe. So I'm thinking, yeah, away they have to go for a draw, possibly ukuthi bakwazi balithole igoli mabanenhlanhla. But-ke iSwelele-ke i-first game yabo njengoba bazodlala neSwelele ebusuku laphana, siya-struggle iSwelele this season, siyazi ukuthi. So I mean ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs kumele abe loud ngempela, siyazi ukuthi kusebusuku maybe sebano-give up, babona ngathi i-team yabo ayenzi kahle, but not all is lost bafowethu, there's still so much to fight for. Ama-expectations laphana against iSwelele nje indaba yakhona i-straight bafethu, i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele iwine leya game leya, no excuse, kumele iwine with ease. Swelele ayikho i-problem ngempela kumele siyinike i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke hey kuzoba nenkinga, kunabo uNokovic se-available for ama-Kaizer Chiefs, kumele une-point okumele aliprove, kunoSayile naye une-point okumele aliprove, kunoPotsane laphana ku-midfielder kune-point okumele aliprove because he's a former Kaizer Chiefs star. So and then azange bamnike i-game time kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bamreleasa, maybe kuzoba motivated ukudlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke I don't think i-Kaizer Chiefs izoyiluza i-match against iSwelele. And then meyibuya-ke ku-match number 3 la ekhaya bafowethu, mele bakwazi ukuyiwina-ke bayishaye iSimba-ke bafowethu. So I mean no excuse at all, mele bawine ekhaya, and immediately-ke abo-coach laba abasha if bazokwazi mebewina bashaya iSimba second leg, ba-qualify for ama-group stages, I mean lokho kuzobanika i-confidence, coach kunika ama-play confidence, kunike nama-fans i-confidence ukuthi okay akufani, i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukuqualifya for ama-group stage we-CAF Confederations Cup. Kuzobanika i-credibility serious ukuthi okay maybe they can try and go for izinto. Angeke kube lula ukukhompyutha laphana ku-continental level bafowethu, but kumele bathathe i-advantage njalo uma base-home kumele bakwazi ukuwina. Istriker sabo uMayo possibly sokwazi ukumbona laphana ku-Confederations Cup, but sokubona ukuthi uzokwazi ukuhandle ifiziki. Siyamazi ukuthi u-super talented, but-ke nje izinto ezifew okumele a-improve kuzo uMayo. Number one, ukuthi abe i-team player, adlale lezi team, but-ke it's not just about uMayo kuphela. I-Kaizer Chiefs yona bafowethu as a whole kumele bakwazi ukudlala ezi-team. Baningi abantu abadlalela bona nje kuphela, kufana nabo Lilepo. uLilepo uvele akhahlele noma ikuphi, nala abona khona ukuthi akana chance but uzofuna ukukhahlela. I mean, ilokhu njani iSimba izozama nayo ukuwina le eCongo, la eSouth Africa idlalele i-draw. So yawina away kuzoba difficult kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sikhumbule ukuthi last game iSimba ikwazile ukuwina 3-0 ku-aggregate, so akusiyo i-team ezoba lula ngempela. But yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs, they have to win again at home, especially at home bafowethu. They have to win, abana chance. I-league fixture-ke number 4 bazodlala eDurban City. Well, hey madoda, Durban City akukho lula-ke bafowethu. Immediately after i-CAF action bazotravela to eDurban, noma ngithi eThekwini away. Away kuzoba tricky kakhulu. I mean, ifiziki yakhona unpredictable igame, but-ke ilokhu njani iDurban City bafethu strong kakhulu. Masibheka the way eqale ngakhona isizini, elwa ngakhona, i-energy yabo, even noma bedlala neMamelodi Sundowns laphana, they could have easily scored more goals. Like bashawa iMamelodi Sundowns, I think 4-3-1 lapho, but-ke bageja nane-penalty, bageja nama-opportunities amakhulu. So i-team ekwaziyo uku-attack-a, le team e-serious, i-team ekwazile ukushaya amagoli a-convincing laphana against Polokwane City or yini, uCarling knockout baku-last 8 manje bona. So i-team emotivated, naku-league bahleli kahle. So i-team emotivated. It's gonna be a tricky game for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Potentially or possibly kungaba i-draw kuleya match le. I-draw i-likely bafethu. If i-Kaizer Chiefs iyayiwina, izoyiwina nje ngegebhu kancane, but i-draw. But-ke let's not write off i-Durban City bafethu. Yoba attack yabo. Ne-defender labo eli-super skillful, eli-creative, elishaya amagoli, uke walibonaphi i-defender elishaya i-hat-trick bafethu kanje? I-defender elineskill, elikwazi, eli-super skillful, likwazi ukubhitha ama-defenders amanye ngeskill. Ngimbona uCaba wakhona laphana esayidini, ubamba ushaya isiswebhu, ngasho ukuthi ayi basenkingeni-ke ku-PSL. Lo muntu lo wayengadlalela ama-team amakhulu, but-ke ibhola bafethu. You never know where you end up. So mawunikwa ama-opportunities, kumele ngempela ukwazi ukuwathatha ama-opportunities. Uyawathatha ama-opportunities umfana awatholile. Banama-player abo ku-loan laphana ku-Durban City abuya nakoMamelodi Sundowns. So i-team emotivated, ayisabi lutho, ayisabi bantu. Ikwazile ukuperforma kangconywana against ilokhunjana iMamelodi Sundowns. But why would they not go all out for i-Kaizer Chiefs? Because they know they can get ama-result if bazokwazi ukumisela ngempela, badlale. Bayimatch i-Kaizer Chiefs pound to pound, and futhi njengoba i-Kaizer Chiefs iney'nkinga zayo vele nayo ye-inconsistency, bangakwazi ngempela ukulwa indaba e-serious against i-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. So yeah, it's not gonna be an easy game leyana bafowethu at all. And then igame yokugcina yabo, le game number 5, badlala nelokhunjani this team, Orbit College. Straight win-ke, bahlula i-Orbit College ikasazi bafethu, angeke. Leya team le ibonakala ngathi amateur team, ibhola lakhona alihlangani, ayikho nje into ehlanganayo. Babonakala ngathi ba-unfit laphana egrawundini. They don't have like i-structure like solid. But ama-reports amanye or ama-rumors bekuthiwa bafuna ubani, uRamahle Mphahlele. Yeah, bekuthiwa bafuna yena umfana ngempela. Lo-ke one-experience ku-national team, one-experience kuMamelodi Sundowns, obuya laphana kumaZulu. So bayazama manje uku-add i-depth e-serious ukuthi okay, as-edeni ama-player, otherwise bazozithola baku-relegation. Kumele ngempela bakwazi ukulwa bona ezi-Orbit College, and then ukwazi ukuthola ama-results against i-Kaizer Chiefs bona ukuthi balokhunjana bafethu, bazinike i-confidence, because they played a good game against Orlando Pirates in terms of ukungabi too exposed, but bathola ne-chance ukuthi bayishaye i-Pirates. Unfortunately abakwazanga ukuthatha ama-opportunities wabo, but akusiyo i-team lethu usaba bafethu engakhosi i-havoc, enganiki i-Kaizer Chiefs i-problem, engaba inkinga. Akusiyo bafethu i-team, ngiyala mina. There's no way le team le ibe pound to pound ne-Kaizer Chiefs. If i-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala the weight ne-Kaizer Chiefs siyazi ngakhona. So amagame oyi-5 esengiwashilo bafethu, against iSimba le neCongo kumele badlalele i-draw. Isiwelele babuye bashaye Isiwelele, and then at home bayishaye iSimba. I-Durban City maybe kungaba yiyo i-draw, igame ezoba tough ngempela. So yi-challenging game-ke for bona nenkulu, and then bathole i-win against i-Orbit College. So kulama 5 games bangakwazi ukuwina amagame awu-3 according to my prediction. So i-final 5 games-ke yami la bafowethu i-review noma ngithi i-preview, home advantage yabo kumele bayisebenzise ngempela, ayikho indaba yokudlala bafethu, they have to use i-home advantage yabo overall. I-momentum bayibhilde, but they should dominate. Bayi-Kaizer Chiefs bayi-team enkulu, they should dominate positions, dominate even on the scoreboard, bavele bashaye o-3 goals. So I mean, Khosi Nation, as much as bangakazi kahle kahle ukuthi okay ubani ozoba i-number 1 striker sabo, because ezinye i-strikers ziyabuya efana no-Igor Daro, sobona ukuthi usiphi i-striker esizoshisa iyikhotha, sikwazi leso striker lesi kuba i-fan favorite this season. So i-confidence nje kuphela edingekayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba bebuya laphana ku-Betway Premiership. Hey kuzoba nzima, hey madoda, yeah, but-ke banawo ama-chance ukuthi possibly bakwazi ukuwina, but ama-game isikhathi esiningi awinwa ku-midfield, ama-control i-midfield, but-ke hlezi sithi igame iwinwa ku-midfielder, igame bafethu iwinwa ngamagoli, because previous games ku-Kaizer Chiefs badlala ngama-wings isikhathi esiningi uku-create ama-opportunities wabo, ba-create ama-opportunities more than amanye ama-team amaningi futhi, but-ke they're not able to win those games because they're not able to convert those opportunities. Ungayi-dominate i-midfielder, but-ke uma ungakwazi ukukora amagoli usenkingeni, ngeke uwawine ama-game overall. So 3 wins out of 5 matches for me. The toughest would be away laphana eCongo. Easiest, igame easy kunazo zonke, kunawo wonke ama-games abawadlalayo bafethu, Orbit College laphana badlala e-home. Ku-easy kakhulu, Orbit kumele bagwazele ibhece bashayele 4-1. But-ke ngizoyibamba la kwamanje. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.